Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you 5 best Shopify apps to help you sell more this holiday shopping season and beyond. So why we are waiting for? So let's get started. First, Referral Candy. This app allows you to run a full referral campaign right through Shopify, and it's a great way to push through a brand new sales experience. Second, Sulis. Sulis is another awesome app that's helped simplify the process by taking customer behaviors and turning that into a retarget advertisement. Third, Ultimate Sales Boost. This app includes countdown timer, trust badges, upsells, and more. It's everything you need to create a high converting sales experience. 4. Tidio Live Chat. You can use catchy Black Friday phrases and Black Friday images on live chat pop-up. 5. Quick Announcement Bar. Promote discounts and coupon codes on an announcement bar to increase your sales. These 5 apps helps you to grow your online shop and gives you more sales. You can see all the apps links in the video description. Black Friday wishes for all store owners from us. You really are some of the best donors. We wish you the best and continued success so you won't have to get a bit longer. If you like this video, please subscribe us and click this bell icon for upcoming useful videos. Thank you.